Book 3, Chapters 6 through 10 of On War. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Recording by Timothy Ferguson. On War by Karl von Clausewitz. Translated by Colonel J. J. Graham. Book 3, Chapter 6. Boldness. The place and part which boldness takes in the dynamic system of powers, where it stands opposed to foresight and prudence, has been stated in the chapter on the certainty of the result in order thereby to show that theory has no right to restrict it by virtue of its legislative power. But this noble impulse, with which the human soul raises itself above the most formidable dangers, is to be regarded as an active principle peculiarly belonging to war. In fact, in what branch of human activity should boldness have a right of citizenship, if not in war? From the transport driver and the drummer up to the general, it is the noblest of virtues, the true steel which gives the weapon its edge and brilliancy. Let us admit, in fact, it has in war even its own prerogatives. Over and above the results of the calculation of space, time, and quantity, we must allow a certain percentage which boldness derives from the weakness of others, whenever it gains the mastery. It is therefore virtually a creative power. This is not difficult to demonstrate philosophically. As often as boldness encounters hesitation, the probability of the result is, of necessity, in its favour, because the very state of hesitation implies a loss of equilibrium already. It is only when it encounters cautious foresight, which we may say is just as bold, at all events just as strong and powerful as itself, that it is at a disadvantage. Such cases, however, rarely occur. Out of the whole multitude of prudent men in the world,